Bulk transport. In this topic, we will learn about the process of intake and excretion of food particles by the cell through endocytosis and exocytosis. Inside the body, we find numerous cells which are surrounded by capillaries. Now, if we take a look at any one cell, we can see the cell membrane. The food particles and microbes diffuse out through the capillary wall and reach the cells of the body. When the cell membrane comes into contact with food particles or microorganisms, they are absorbed into the cell. Let us see how they are absorbed into the cell. Food particles come in contact with the cell membrane and they form a depression. The depression deepens until the food is completely engulfed in a pocket called vesicle. The vesicle then drifts further into the cell and it meets and fuses with a lysosome containing enzymes. After this, the enzyme breaks down the complex food into simple molecules and waste material. These simple molecules diffuse out of the vesicle and are used by the cell. This is called digestion. The engulfing and digestion of substances into the cell is called endocytosis. And the similar process of engulfing the microorganisms is called phagocytosis. Now, the waste substance formed in the vesicle after digestion needs to be expelled out. For this, the created vesicles move towards the cell surface, where the membrane of the vesicle fuses with the plasma membrane. The vesicle opens to the extracellular fluid and its contents diffuse out. This process is called exocytosis. Let us have a quick recap. Bulk transport can be divided into endocytosis, where the substances are taken inside the cell, and exocytosis, where substances are pushed out of the cell.